So before explaining our EA how to calculate the swing high and low, we want to tell it that those calculations will be done only in the beginning of a new candle, only when the previous candle has been already closed. We certainly don't want it to do this specific calculation on every tick because this is too slow and it will slow our backtests and optimizations down. So there is a couple ways to do that. I usually do it in the following way. Um, in oops. So this is a global variable. It will hold the number of bars printed. And here we place another one. Oops. Which also holds the number of bars printed. But if both of them are not equal, we will save this one in the global and compare them. Yeah. So if bars is different than total bars, please save uh, bars in total bars. And let's print this uh, this way. And how many bars have we seen yet? Oh, okay. So now let's test that. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Okay, new bar is printed. And yeah, we can see that every minute we are printing a new bar. Okay, that's beautiful. And now we will place the finding swing high and low logic only in this if statement because we don't want it to calculate this on every tick and slow us down. Let's find the swing highs now. Um, so we can remove this and initiate a double variable. We'll call it highest high, in which we will save the uh, highest high, initiating it with 0. Then we start a for loop, which will search the last, let's say, 100 candles. And we want it to find a high that is the highest high in its area of, let's say, 5 candles to this side and 5-10 candles to this side. 5 candles both sides, actually. Okay, so we need to initiate an input variable. Why as an input? Because we want to be able to optimize for this. We'll call it and in candles. It will be equal to 5 for now. So the current high of the loop will be saved in here. Yep, like this. And if I is bigger than n candles, and it is the highest high. Always messing this up. Mode high, of course. So yeah, this is the we are describing here the area, the surroundings of this eventual highest high, which will be we can use the n candles input variable that we just created for this, and candles multiplied by, let's say, oops, multiplied by 2 plus 1, and here we use I minus, oops, candles, okay, and this should be equal to the to I. Okay, okay, I'm getting this right. Seems about right. And if we found a high which is bigger than the currently the current highest high, then we want to print it. Actually, we want to print two things. We will print the I. We will print nice message of new high discovered. Okay. Saving this, and let's try. I forgot something very important actually. We should renew this variable right there with the bigger one, like this. So the bigger of both of them will be saved in highest high, and after this highest high will be compared with the newly discovered high. And yeah, I think that, yeah, this should, so yeah, this is much better. Is this for 15 bars? Yep, new high discovered at 15th place. Okay, and now what? Mm, let's first of all place this code right here in a different function, which we will call. First, we wanted to return the high that was just found. Uh, we will call it swing high. Mhm. And it will return the high, right? If it if no, it will return zero. Sorry, -1. Okay, and then we will call that function right here. Um, Let me see it this way. Mhm. Mhm, mhm. Does it work? Yes, it works when it. Okay, and it you can see it returns this is 29th place, is it? This is 33. Okay. Yeah, yeah. This is how it should work. Yep. Because this is here the highest high right now, and in the last 100 candles, is it? Yes, it is. But because of this right here, the n candles variable that we did, it returns -1. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's open a trade with this.